To fix a toilet flapper that won't seal, it's essential to identify the underlying issue, which is often caused by wear and tear, mineral deposits, or chain problems. Checking the flapper for cracks or warping is the first step. If it's damaged, replacing it with a new one that matches the toilet model is necessary. Ensuring a snug fit over the flush valve will restore a proper seal and prevent leaks, thus improving overall efficiency. If replacement doesn't work, accumulated minerals on the flapper may be the culprit. To address this, turn off the water supply, remove the flapper, and use a vinegar-soaked brush to scrub both the flapper and the flush valve seat, dissolving any deposits. After rinsing thoroughly, reinstall the flapper, which should result in a tight seal and prevent leaks. Additionally, chain issues must be fixed by adjusting the chain length to allow for just enough slack, enabling the flapper to close fully without interference. It's also important to ensure the chain isn't tangled or caught, as this can prevent a proper seal and cause leaks. By following these steps, a toilet flapper that won't seal can be effectively fixed, restoring the toilet's efficiency and preventing future issues.